Starting out in UI/UX design? You're not alone if it feels overwhelming. But hey, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 5 common mistakes beginners make. And more importantly, how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, designing without knowing your users. It's like building a house without knowing who'll live in it. You can't design great experiences if you don't understand who they're for. Fix it by creating simple user personas, doing quick interviews, or running a short survey. Mistake number 2, confusing UI with UX. UI is how things look. Colors, buttons, layouts. UX is how it feels and how it works. You need both. Don't just make it pretty. Make it easy and intuitive too. Mistake number 3, ignoring mobile. Most users today browse on their phones. If your design only works on desktop, you're losing people fast. Use responsive layouts, test on different screens, and design mobile first when you can. Mistake 4, overcomplicating your UI. Adding too many colors, buttons, and animations might seem cool, but it often leads to confusion. Great design is clear and focused. Stick to one main action per screen. Let your layout breathe. And mistake 5, not testing your design with real people. What seems obvious to you might confuse your users. Ask a friend to try your prototype or use tools like Maze or Figma. Even 10 minutes of feedback can save hours of guesswork later. Let's recap. 1, know your users. 2, balance UI and UX. 3, design for mobile. 4, keep it simple. 5, always test. These habits can instantly make your designs more thoughtful and effective. Thanks for watching. Like this video? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more faceless design tips. And hey, if you need a custom website, I've got you. Visit my website to book a free appointment. Link in the description. Catch you in the next one.